Hello everyone, myself Amrita Namdev. Welcome to Fortune Cloud. In this video, we will discuss about EC2. So let's start today's agenda. First, we discuss about what is EC2. After that, we will discuss about feature of EC2. Next, we will discuss about benefit of EC2. Also, we will discuss about what required things is necessary for creating any EC2 instance. And at last, we also create one EC2 instance and connect that EC2 instance. So let's start today's agenda. So what is EC2? EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. So it is an on-demand computing service on the AWS. It is a web service which is a secure, resizable and the scalable. We can deploy our application in EC2 server without any worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Why? Because infrastructure managed by AWS. EC2 is an infrastructure as a service. Now, what is the next? So, we will discuss about the feature of EC2. Scaling feature. So, while creating any EC2 instance, there is one feature available for scaling. We can scale up and scale down the server within a few clicks. Next, integrate with other AWS services like RDS, S3, DynamoDB, SQS or n number of services. Next, pay for what you use. That is means, suppose our EC2 instance we have to use only 1 hour. So only we have to pay only for 1 hour. Next, instance can be launched in a one or more regions and availability zone. That is means, if I want a highly available web server, so we can launch our web server in a one region, multiple availability zone, or maybe the more region, multiple availability zone. Next, it support for a different operating system. Different operating system means what? In our EC2, while launching the EC2, there is an n number of operating system are available. For example, Ubuntu, Linux, Red Hat, CentOS, Windows. So we can choose as per our requirement. Next, work with the Amazon VPC to provide secure network to resource. So our EC2 instance launched inside the VPC. So EC2 instance are secure. So these are some features of EC2. Let's discuss about the benefit of EC2. So there is a one feature of flexibility. So as a user, we can choose our software package. As a user, we can set our instance type. We can also select our operating system and we also set our storage. The next feature is cost saving. That is means, as per our requirement, suppose as per our requirement, we have to use that EC2 server on only 24 hours. So only we have to pay on that 24 hours only. So only use, whatever, only for use we have to pay. And avoiding the investing of hardware because the hardware managed by the AWS. The next feature is reliability. So the AWS provide to EC2 the 99.9% of reliability. The next feature of security. So as we know, our EC2 instance are work with VPC. So our EC2 instance is secure. The next benefit is that elastic web computing. We can increase and decrease as per our requirement. So here we understand about that benefit of EC2. Now let's start. Suppose I have to create one EC2 instance. What required things I need to do? First of all, we have to select our operating system. As we know, there is a number of operating system available. So as per our requirement, we have to select our operating system. The next required things, we have to select instance type. There is a n number of instance types are available like the micro, nano, the medium, large, X large, and there is an instance type also available like T2 micro, T3 nano, different type. So we can select our instance type as per our requirement. After that, we have to select our key pair. Now what is a key pair? So key pair is a combination of public and a private key. Public key always with AWS and private keys with us. Next, after key pair select, we have to select the security group. Security group, there is a firewall of EC2 label. After that, we also select the storage, and last we have to set the number of instances. So in this all that categories we have to fill, and after that we will launch our EC2 instance. So let's check the demo, what things we need to do. So see, first of all, we have to check our operating system. So in this demo, I will select the Ubuntu operating system. After that, we have to select the instance size. So in this demo, I will use the T2 micro. After that, we have to select the key pair. So here, I am using the .pam key. After that, we also select that security group. So here I am selecting my security group. After that, we also select that volume or the storage. So for storage in AWS, we call that EBS. So here, the 8 GB is required for any Linux operating system. So I am using the 8 GB of storage. After that all selections, we just have to click on a launch EC2 instance. So our EC2 instance will be launched. So let's start the demo and we launch one EC2 instance. So for that, we have to log into our console. So here I already log in my console. Here it is my console. Now we have to launch a EC2 instance. So we have to click on launch EC2 instance. Here we have to give the name. Suppose I have given the name for this is my demo instance. Now next we have to select our operating system. So here I am selecting my operating system as Ubuntu. After that we have to select the instance type. So as we know, we select the T2 micro. Next is a key pair. I have already one key pair. There is a .pam key. So I am selected my key pair. Here we have to select our security group. And after that, we also select the storage, 8 GB of storage. After that, we have to write how many number of EC2 instance we want. So here I written the 1. Now we have to click on launch EC2 instance. So there our instance are launched. Just connect also. So now here is the state are coming the pending. Let's wait for till that EC2 instance are available. We just copy the public IP of EC2 instance and we have to connect that EC2 instance. So with the help of PAM key, I am connecting my EC2 instance. So here we have to mention our public key. After that, we have to press the yes. So see, this is our EC2 instance. So as per our requirement, we can create n number of folder. We can also create the n number of file. So thank you everyone for patience for this video. Bye bye.